How to copy and paste on WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to copy and paste on WhatsApp. So first thing, just open up your WhatsApp application, and it's a pretty simple process. So basically you can easily copy or paste any link or text, whether you are using WhatsApp group or any particular singular chat. So let's say in this example I'll simply copy this link over here and simply tap on this text button over here and simply paste it, the link which I just copied over here, and you can easily send it to anyone over here. And you can also actually copy the text in the same way as well. So just like this, you can just long press on that particular text and click on this three dot icon at the top right corner and simply copy and simply enter, or just long press on that particular text box and simply paste it over here. And just like that, you have successfully able to paste any text or links or even images on your WhatsApp. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.